ready for another week. And how I like to get it, it's hard to get it to go back in because it gets airlocked. So what I'll do is take my screwdriver and stick in there beside it, and that releases the air. Kind of push it down in there, squish the air out. It's kind of messy, but it works. If I'm doing it wrong, let me know. That's just how I do it. And it works great for not only greasing chainsaw bars, but it works very well for gear heads on weed eaters. Damn. Y'all see it? I already sucked it in some. These things stay primed up pretty well too. Give her a bunch of pumps, fill it right up, and you are good to go. I hope that helps, guys.